Checks out a really bright, sunny room. Oh, I should probably take the fire extinguisher for my house. This room, all the tables are good. Comes with chairs, matching chairs, really nice. Very, very nice tables. Glass thingy. Fake plant, beautiful. Beautiful fake plants everywhere. Look at all the flowers on every table. All the fixtures on here. The fireplace is going. There's an AC wall units everywhere. Oh, a little kiosk thing for, and there's a network cable for, I don't know what cable it is, for a point of sales register thing. It's a really nice restaurant actually. Swinging doors. The entrance. Anything you see along the way. There's a lot of cool stuff to look at even. Some horse saddles. Some of this and some music playing, so it always gets me off. The bar has been sold for $500 with a thing. Lots of paintings. Really cool antique, very antique desk. Men's signs. Birthday things, just little things for a restaurant. Books. Kitchen area. Stove. Cooler, walk-in cooler. Lots of stuff. Oh, yeah, there's an entire stainless steel sink. That's actually nice. That is really nice for any fisherman or a restaurant. Or just cheap, man. That is a nice stainless steel thing. Huge, huge service, electrical service. Yes, this is for turning this entire place on. It is a lot of power. The coolers, the doors are all going. That's a walk-in cooler. Huh, pretty nice. A door here, walk-in cooler. Nothing in here, but it does come with the refrigeration unit thing. So the door is really nice. It's a solid door. It's very nice. Then there's a house and more fixtures and everything. From siding to buildings to anything you see around here. Just make an offer to hoods, to the hood systems, those bent things or whatever they're called. There's a view of the lake from here. I'll try that again. That house, everything in there. Full kitchens, everything. Is this thing open? This is where the people used to live who owned the restaurant a long time ago. Oh, it's open. So from everything in here, from the stove to everything, the sinks to entire bathroom to some tenants left some junk, to here, to a fireplace, to a red couch. They must have left that too. No one wants it. More bedrooms, AC, whatever you want. Electrical, don't want it either. This house has been vacant for like over a year. Oh, they left every treasure. Garbage. And this is how people leave it. Oh, refrigerator's good for sale. That, whoa, 10/22/2022. So they replaced that one. Huh. So it's a good hot water tank. We're definitely taking that. More rooms, more rooms, more rooms. Mud room. And then they come out to the restaurant here. The house is there. I don't know what's in the shed. It goes all the way to the car wash down there. There's a sign. Lawn's never been mowed. No one cares too much. You can see the lake from here. With the glare in the camera, you can't. Air conditioning units. Blue Bar will pick up those tanks. Siding. Doors. Brand new door right there. Brand new. So, yeah. Oh, utility rooms. More air conditioning units. Enough to handle the entire restaurant. So, pretty good. There's the lake. So it has a beautiful lake view. Probably a nice place for house, but it's loud. So it's a busy intersection. This will become a Dollar General. And then we have more stuff too. So the sign here too, I have to fix this up. All it says is sale. And no one's stopping, they don't really know. So we've got this sign up here. It's $50, $40 to rip it down. $90 you want it. Someone will come, yank it out with a piece of equipment, dig it out. Who knows how it's buried in there. Side entrance to the bar area. The bar was really nice. Really nicely done. So I spent a lot of money on that. All the drinks, little slots above. So it for the tour, the main entrance. So people will come in, and there'll be a bar on this side, and the restaurant, and the greeter person would be right here. Please wait to be seated. So all the fixtures, every little knick-knack, a lot of it brand new. Speaker systems, a lot of restaurant supplies, a lot of tables, restaurant tables with glass tops. Very expensive. Picture frames. Oh, a buffet. Ooh, I guess they broke it. It wasn't broken when I remember it. But yeah, that's the buffet. It was somewhere else before. And the barn used. Whole fireplace. Whoa, it was electrical cord. Probably plug it in. Okay. It's... Wow, this thing's heavy. That's metal. Huh. Anyways, it's just this little flicker thing. Blows out some heat. Tons of knickknacks up on top. Wood trim. Ooh, this is actually nice. Wood. That's some type of hardwood. Wow, nice trim all around the place. Lots of trim. This thing sat abandoned for well over 10 years, maybe more, probably more, because I don't remember. Carpet's in good shape. It's a nice place. Sold by Pyramid Company, and it will be a Dollar General. Lots of fake plants. Hanging basket things. A grill. Ooh. I wanted one of those little ones. Cool. Actually, I wanted one. Because I don't know where mine is. My mini. Oh, hibachi grills. Cool. It's from the campground store still. Christmas decorations now. The doors, though. This is plexi. Lighting. The bar was sold for $500, the entire thing, with these sinks and the coolers, True coolers, brand True, everything. The soda dispensers, absolutely everything. The glass, everything. $500, so. Whatever someone wants. This is nice. Very nice, actually. Wow. Taxi service. Yes, sir, you can't drive home now. Kind of neat. Food was served through these windows. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I never ate here. I think once when I was very, very, very little. Oh, a lot of interesting little things. So if anyone wants to come, look at it, check things out. There's a dolly to help you grab stuff out. Everything's for sale. Except I want a hibachi grill and stuff. These, I kind of like these. This is I think this is an English saddle. I got this one to put in the barn for decoration. And that one. It's always just nice to walk into a barn and you have some saddles. I got it from a horse farm. Records. Underwood. Just lots of stuff. Underneath things and everywhere. Ooh. A blue moon sign. Kind of neat looking. You get them free from the boots people. The bathroom. These. 2, but they're emptied now. And 3rd. There's the bathroom. Toilets. Trim. Mirrors. Sinks. Whatever you want. The door is wicked nice door. Like super nice door. Wow. With a kick plate. Girls' room. Paintings. There's always been power in here. It's not heated. Ceiling's pretty neat. Building's structurally good. But it is not needed. The desk is really cool. So this was actually Paula's desk in her house. Really nice. Probably old when she got it. Probably used or old. She was 90 something, so it's just pretty. I think it's like a leather top, maybe. Oh, it's very nice. Dolly's not for sale. Oh, floor, home styling, ceiling stuff. Oh, lids. For food warming. Nice. There's just tons of stuff here. Those are actually useful. Very fancy. You can put them on most foods. Keep them warm. I like that. There's a fully almost operational kitchen. Dishwashing section. Walk through there again. So it's got the arm thing. Yeah. I remember from one of my jobs when I was a kid. Wash Ecolab thing. The joy of kitchen life. Full Ansel system. Full hooded kitchen system. Extremely expensive. Certificate. It's a full hood. Stainless steel. And of course the fire suppression stuff. 1994. So I think it was open before that. After that, for sure. They got it in, I don't know, 2010 or something. 2008, 7. I don't know. Just remember it just sat. Mostly it was just empty and didn't have all these treasures in it. It was just a plain, clean restaurant. No stuff, but had to get moved from the next place that they had. A campground. Tons of chairs. If anyone's interested in chairs. And I'll take some pictures now. Out swinging doors with these. Probably brings back a lot of people's memories being here. Eating. It's a nice view of the lake from here. No leaks in the roof. It's pretty good. But it'll all be destroyed and demolished. The chairs and tables. Very nice. You can't see, you can see the lake a bit. There you go. All that blue is the view to the lake.